Good afternoon, everyone. This video is about the line calls in the customer QA dashboard and how we can create a line call and how can we see the data that we have created. So we are in the quality module. As you can see on the screen, there is a button that is new line call, and after that, after clicking on that button, you will see this form and select the proper source and enter the name of the person, source person, and after that select a customer and then plant of origin, that is the location, and then part number, enter the lot, quantity affected, and the defect description as well. Detection point of the line call, here I am entering the customer line and the severity, is it a major or critical defect or minor defect. So according to the situation you can select here the severity. I'm selecting here major, and the defect location, is it press shop, weld shop, or cd. Here is the option for the no line stop or line stop. If the line got stopped, you can click on this and later on add the photos or your documents regarding this and click on the save line call. Here you can see this line call we recently created, and when you will click on the open, you will see all the details related to it, and you can select the encode defect confirmed. Here are the two options, y and yes, no, or pending. So you can also give the remarks over here. For the disposition, you can select the convert to rejection. After clicking on convert to rejection, you will see here a button that will open the rejection entry form, and after filling this rejection entry form, you will get the rejection id. Pick that rejection id and copy that rejection id over here. Without pasting the rejection id, you will not be able to save this, so you must have to fill the rejection id. And in case if we do not select convert to rejection, let's say we select convert to defect, you will get a button here which says create defect graph, and by clicking on this we are going to create a defect by the line call, and the source of this defect will be the line call. So for example, here I created, and the defect draft created id has 122, and later on you can save the details and click on the close button. As you can see, this line code that we created right now has been converted to the defect, and in here the defect total count has been increased. It got increased from 30 to 31. And also you can see in the defects tab that we have created 122 id number of the defect, and here we can see the details related to it. And by clicking on the manage button, you can also manage the details over here. Like you can click, this defect is spawned from the lc, so that this one is auto picked, and you can pick the detection point as the customer line, customer incoming, and select a CAM assignment person, and then after QA assignment, there is also the flag for the customer line stop. If the customer's line got stopped, then you can click on this flag, and after that there is the containment scopes like WIPFC in transit, and LCID shows from which line call this defect got created, and the record type is LC, that represents to the line call. And after that you can click on the save workload fields. And also we do have here the option for the containment complete. So before clicking on the save workload fields, workflow fields, you must have to take the confirmation from the customer. Here are the workflow status stages, like advanced to RC. RC is the third process, and then after that there is the corrective action done, and then click on the save workflow field, and then the close confirmed. Here the workflow status got changed. That is the closed. That is the closed silent acceptance. So we have done here the line call, and the line call that created the rejections, and the line call that also creates the defects, and we can also manage the defects from over here. And by clicking on these filters you can filter out all these open or closed or all status of defect. You can choose these spawn from LC, that means the line call, customer direct, all sources as per your requirements. So thanks for the watching the video.